Hello everyone, welcome to Love Max. We are going to see the theorem, angle sum property theorem. Okay, it is 9th standard. What is angle sum property? Means it is a triangle angle sum property theorem. Okay, in this triangle we are clearly knowing sum of three angle is 180 degree. But how we are going to prove only we are seeing in this theorem. What is the statement means? The sum of three angle of a triangle is 180 degree. This is the important statement. Applying this concept only we are seeing so many things. Okay, so we are drawn one triangle like A, B, C. So first angle, second angle, then third angle, because triangle means it makes the three angle. What in this theorem, what is given? The sum of three angle of a triangle is 180 degree. So ABC is a triangle. One triangle is given. Okay, it is the given. What we are going to prove? What we are going to prove? Angle sum of all the three angles. So angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. This only we are going to prove. Okay, next construction. What is mean by construction? If I want to prove something, if anything is required to add in the diagram, we can add. I draw one XY line, it is parallel to BC. I draw one XY line, it is parallel to BC like this. Okay, one XY line, it is touch on A. This is A, I drawn one XY. It is parallel to BC. Okay, so next we are going to see the proof. What is the proof? What is the proof? First, we are telling this. If I draw this line, it makes here one angle 4 and here one angle as 5. It makes the angle. Okay, that means XAB angle, that is angle 4, and then YAC is angle 5. Next, I drawn both are parallel lines. I drawn both are parallel lines, XY and BC. Parallel lines means alternative interior angles are equal. So it is looking like transversal. Both lines are parallel. It is the transversal. So angle 4 is equal to angle 2. Angle 4 is equal to angle 2. The same condition this side also. Angle 5 is equal to 3 because by the transversal alternative interior angle. Interior angles are equal. We learnt already. Next, XAY is a straight line. Okay. SAY is a straight line. So it makes 180 degree. In this straight line, what are the angle is there? Angle 4 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 equal to 180 degree. Angle 4 what we can replace? Angle 4 equal to angle 2 because it is alternative interior angle. So that's why you can write angle 2 plus angle 1 plus angle 5 also we can replace angle 3. That is equal to 180 degree. So arrange in the order angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degree. This only we are going to prove. So hence it's proved. So we used in many places sum of three angle of a triangle is equal to 180 degree. Maybe it is 179 also we can't draw a triangle. If it is 181 also we can't draw a triangle. Exactly it comes 180 degree. We used, but what is the theorem? How to prove this theorem? This only. The statement is the sum of three angle of a triangle is 180. Given is ABC is a triangle. What we are going to prove all the three. I have done the construction. This is very important. I drawn one line. XY is parallel to BC. So which is, it is a looking like parallel. In interior to parallel line, it cross one lines means it is a transversal. If like this is there, alternative angles are equal. So angle 4 and angle 2 is equal. Angle 5 and angle 3 is equal. XAY is a straight line. So adding all the 3 is 180. Angle 4 I can replace angle 2. Angle 5 I can replace angle 3. Arrange in the order. It is the proof. It is very important theorem. Thank you.